They are trying to find each other. Feels that they're making many mistakes.
Well, making a meal of that Atube, and this is Kenneth Chimera one-on-one, slots it in. No mistake there. They took a chance and decided to dive into the deep waters. Lo and behold, the Sharks were lying in wait. One sumptuous bite, and Chimera makes them pay. KCCA trail to Wakiso by a goal to nil.
Well, we're just talking about the mistakes that are being made by KCCA in their passing, and little did we know that Atube was planning something even more callous like he just did there. I just don't understand what he was doing, trying to dribble back when you're the last man. You can't do this. Just play the ball back to your goalkeeper and start play once again, as opposed to trying to dribble when you're the last man. And once you make a mistake, there's no opportunity for amends, and in the end, KCCA pay the price.
The Wakiso Giants will be pleased with that particular goal. Just hand the KCCA t-shirts is Smart City. They might want to adapt some smart tactics themselves, as there's a mess man here. Derrick Ochan spilling it right in front of the attackers, and out of respect for where he came from, Samson Chikozi will not celebrate, but that will not stop his teammates and the fans from going into delirium. It's 2 to the good, and KCCA have their backs to the wall.
Well, I'll tell you, I just don't understand what kind of goalkeeping that is from Derrick Ochan, because that's the kind of ball that you just pick up and you launch a quick attack for your team in a counter-attack phase. But then for him to drop the ball the way he did, gifting Wakiso Giants a second goal, now it's going to be very difficult for them to get back into this one. That was well volleyed home by Samson Chigozi. If you wanted anybody to be in that position, it definitely was Samson Chigozi, because he's got the technique and he's got the ability to score such incredible and beautiful goals.
Well, the two old boys combining there, Tom Masiko with the free kick, Samson Chigozi with the finish. For KCCA, it's just waiting. This probably will be Ashraf Mugume. Mugume bends it in and somehow manages to breach that defense with the final strike of the game. It would have been a brilliant one to celebrate for Ashraf Mugume, but in the end comes too little too late here. Wakiso Giants will feel undone that they could not take the clean sheet home. And what a strike right in the top corner. Goalkeeper did as much as he could, but Shil Sekaja, that was precise as they come. In the end, just happens to come a little too late to ignite any possibility of a comeback. The Swiss